Okay, and breathe. Oh, I don't even have my lashes on, idiot. Hi, I'm Maya. I'm going to be showing you how to do the best lip gloss combo for black skin. I have not filmed in so long. It's been almost 2 years. My last video was in my sophomore year of college. I'm now a senior in college, so stuff happens, life happens, corona happens, viruses happen, lockdown happens, quarantine happens. This is my go-to lip gloss look when I am not going to be wearing a mask anytime soon, because I can't wear lip gloss under a mask. That's disgusting. Have you tried doing that? It's disgusting. Anyways, I've been doing this lip look for about a month now, and I really like how it looks. And I've gotten a lot of questions about how I do it, what products I use, what steps I use the products in. So I decided to make a lip tutorial to satisfy all those questions, to show you how I get the perfect lip gloss every single time. This is a very inexpensive look. All the products I use are under $5. I'm pretty sure. I will have to double check that, but I can't imagine paying more than $5 for a lip product. So for me personally, but I'm pretty sure everything I use is under $5. I will link everything that I use in the description below. So let's get into it. So I'm starting off with naked lips. And when I mean naked, I mean not even chapsticks. My lips are dry. And I like starting off with dry lips because it helps me put on my lip liner better. The first step is to use a very dark brown lip liner. This is the darkest brown lip liner I could find at the time. Hold on, you can't even see the name of it. Okay, I mean, it doesn't matter. This is the Nyx, this is Nyx lip liner. I honestly don't know what, oh, my hands are black because I was wiping off eyeliner, but we'll ignore that. This is the Nyx lip liner in the darkest shade of brown that I could find. Not black, because I think the brown and black does make a difference in the look you're going for. If I find the exact name for this, I will put it in the description, but you just need a dark brown lip liner. Any kind is fine. I have to sharpen mine real quick. The dry lip as a base is better for your lip liner to stay on than like a greasy base having chapstick, Vaseline. It will mess it up. So starting off with a dark brown lip liner, I'm gonna outline the shape of my lips. I like accentuating my cupid's bow as much as I can. I know some people like making their cupid bow less defined, making it round. I like a real sharp cupid's bow. And my lips look so crusty. Oh my god. Anyways, trust the process, trust the process. When I line my lips, I line them to how they look exactly. I don't overline or underline my lips. I just like how my lips are naturally, so I just define my outline. You can choose to overline them, underline them, whatever you want. This next step is optional, but I really like doing it to accentuate the lip liner around my lip. I'm going in with a very dark brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this color right here. This is a Morphe palette. It does not matter what kind of eyeshadow you use if you do want to do this step, as long as you're using a dark brown eyeshadow. And I do this because I want my lip liner to be way more bold than it is right now. And I can't find a darker brown lip liner at the moment. So I just go in with an eyeshadow brush, okay? Not focusing. An eyeshadow brush, some dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna reline my lips with this eyeshadow. Once again, that step is optional. It really just depends on how dark you want your lip liner to be. Next is hydration. I started with a naked lip. We're gonna go fix that. We're gonna put in some chapstick, not chapstick. Let me call it by its correct name, Vaseline, the top tier lip balm out there, Vaseline. And I'm going to be using the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips. I think the Rosy Lips one is very important for this look because it does give your lips a nice pink tint, which I really love that the other styles of Vaseline don't give you. This is what it looks like. So I'm just going to take this all around my lips and I'm going to moisturize and blend in this lip liner so it's not as sharp. Once again, If you want the lip liner to be real sharp, this is up to you. You can blend as much or little as you want. It depends on how much of that ombre effect you want from the lip liner going to the middle of your lip. There you go. So now I have the Vaseline on. You can see I blended in the lip liner a little bit, not too much, because I'm going to be blending it in more with the other products I'm using. So the next step is also optional. It depends on how you want this lip look to come out. This is the e.l.f. Shears Stick. I'm pretty sure it's called the Shears Stick. I don't know why mine says Shears Slick on it, but it is in Golden Pear. This is the color that it is. I really, really like this color. It's like a little orangish brown. I love this color, and it's optional because if you don't use it, you get a more pinky undertone to your lip gloss look. With this, you get a little more of a reddish orange color under your lip gloss look. So you can envision already, this is how my lips are going to look for the most part when this look is over. When I use this, it's going to be a different shade of pink. It's going to be more orangish pink. I'm actually going to be doing it both ways to show you how it looks with and without the e.l.f. stick. So for this first run through, I'm going to do it without the e.l.f. stick, show you how it looks when it's more pink, if that's what you're going for. And then I'll do a side by side with the e.l.f. Shears Stick, and I'll show you how it looks with a more orangish undertone. So skipping that step for now, for the more pinkish look, I'm going to be going in with a brown lip gloss. This is the Nyx Butter Gloss in Bit of Honey. And I really, really, really stand by this lip gloss. I love this lip gloss so much, especially for my brown girls. If you're looking for a good nude lip gloss, this alone is beautiful. The Bit of Honey is a little bit light on me, so I have had different shades of these, a little bit darker. I've had Praline, and there's one other one, Ginger Snap, also Ginger Snap, and those are the next two darkest browns. But these browns are so beautiful. I stand by these. Honestly, this might be a little bit over $5. I really don't know. I'm gonna check that right now to tell you. So the overall going price of these is around $5. The highest price I'm looking at is like $5.50 from the pharmacy, but if you get it from their website and from Ulta, you can get it for $5. So $5 max is what the products are going for in this video. This is going to, again, smooth out the liner around my lips, depending on how hard you press when you're applying this. And I'm just gonna take this all over my lip. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And you honestly could end the look right here, but I love a glossy gloss. So I'm gonna keep going, and I'm gonna put on a clear lip gloss. I think clear lip gloss is essential to any lip gloss look you do. I just love clear lip gloss so much. And the one I'm gonna be using is the Broadway Mango Butter Lip Gloss. I got this at my local beauty supply store, and they have different flavors of them. I just really like the mango one. It smells amazing, but any of the flavors will do. And I'm just gonna take this and apply literally as much as I possibly can to my lips, because this is the secret to take it from very cute to very bomb. Literally as much as I can. Look at it! Look at it! Ah! Look at it. Oh, that shit looks juicy. That shit looks juicy. The clear lip gloss is the holy grail for this look. Is the holy grail. The most important parts of this lip look for me is the lip liner and the clear gloss. I think they knock it out of the park. Look at this. Huh? I love her so much. This is my favorite lip look. And once again, this is the more pinkish version without the e.l.f. Shears Stick. I'm going to be doing a side-by-side of the Shears Stick with the Shears Stick without the Shears Stick. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to redo my lip look, and I'm going to do it again with the e.l.f. Shears Stick and show you what it looks like with that. So I am back at the step after applying the Vaseline. I'm now going to show you how I apply the e.l.f. Shears Stick. I can't remember if I showed you this already, but I'm going to show you it now. Oh, I did. I remember because I was talking about the color and how pretty it is. And I'm just going to take this all over my lips. And this is the main thing that I use to spread out my lip liner, to blend it out. I'm going to take this all over my lip. Not really. I just take it right where the lip liner stops and in the middle of my lip. I don't go all the way to the outsides. I don't want to touch this with this shear stick. There you go. And you can already see this look has more of a peachy undertone than the other one did. And from here, I'm just going to follow the same procedure. I'm going to go in with, oh, there's a hair. Great. I'm going to be going in with the NYX, and then afterwards, I'm going to be going over it with the clear. There we go. And you see, this one is way more peachy. And I really like the peachy look. I think it complements my makeup, my skin color. Absolutely fantastic. Fantastic. So this is with the e.l.f. Shear Stick in Golden Pear. So here I'm giving you a side-by-side of the two different looks, the one without the e.l.f. Shear Stick, which is the one that's going to be more pinky, and the one with the e.l.f. Shear Stick, which is the one that's a little more peachy, a little more orangish. And my favorite is the one with the e.l.f. Shear Stick. I just really love this color combo. But if you are one to go with a more pink lip look, then or a more natural lip look, then the left one is definitely for you. But both of them are very, very pretty, very outstanding, very eye-catching, and I guarantee you'll get compliments everywhere you go. So that's it for my lip look. So far, my favorite lip look that I have done thus far, it's just so cute. It's so cute. Oh my god. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you took something away from it. Mainly to never forget your clear lip gloss, because it will always come in handy. I have been gone for so long, and it's so nice to be back and filming and editing once again. I am going to be continuing this channel because I just love doing makeup. I am also going to be starting another channel. I'm going to be starting a gaming channel very soon. I am still getting together the equipment that I need, so I don't have anything recorded, anything edited, posted yet, but that is coming in the near future, so please look out for it. My Twitch handle is mayathemenace, and so is my gaming YouTube channel name. So check it out if you're interested. I don't have any genre of game that I'm sticking to right now. As of right now, I only have a Switch and can only play Switch games, but I'm currently in the process of putting together a gaming PC so I can expand my horizons, which would be great to not just be able to play Animal Crossing. As much as I love Animal Crossing, there are other games I want to play that are not on the Switch. So once that's all put together, I'm going to be cranking out the videos, cranking out the streams. Don't have an exact date for when that's going to happen because everything is still being put together, but I'm very excited for it to start, and I would be so ecstatic if you joined along for the ride. So if you are interested in that, please take a look at my other channels. You know, right now they're empty, but soon there'll be some content, you know. Thank you again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you again for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you did enjoy it. I know I had an outro. I had a good ass outro and I can't remember what it was. If you're feeling extra generous, hit the bell icon to turn on notifications so you'll be notified anytime that I post. And I will be posting. I will be posting now. I know it's been years, but I will be posting. I'm sorry I was gone. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section and I will make sure to read and respond to them. Once again, thank you so much for watching. It's great to be back. The lips are looking fantastic. Your lips are about to be looking fantastic. And I love you. Bye.